Hello all. Let's start with the brief history of humankind. My name is Manoj Kalure. I am a development specialist working in IT industry. Let's start with the first chapter, timeline of the history. About 13.5 billion years ago, matter, energy, time and space came into being in what is known as the Big Bang. The story of this fundamental feature of our universe is called is physics. About 300,000 years after their appearance, matter and energy started to coalesce into a complex structure called atoms, which then combine into molecules. The story of atoms, molecule, and their interaction, we call it chemistry. Around 4.5 billion years ago, planet Earth has formed, and about 3.8 billion years ago, on the planet, certain molecules combine to form a particularly large structure called organism. The story of organism, we call it biology. Around 6 million year ago, our first grandmother has born humans plus chimpanzee. And around 2.5 million year ago, evolution of genus Homo in Africa. The first stone tool also formed. Around 300,000 years ago, the daily usage of fire was seen. Around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapien evolves in East Africa. Next, around 70,000 years ago, the cognitive revolution has begun. This is the time when human started thinking of, and that comes the emergence of fictive languages, which we talk today. Because of these languages, the beginning of history happened, and the sapien spread out from the Africa. In between 14,000 to 13,000 years ago, sapiens settled in various parts of the globe, and this is Australia, America, and in this period only the extinction of those species happened. So we are the only one species left out, which is Homo sapien. Around 12,000 years ago, the agricultural revolution began. This is the time when domestication of plant and animal happened and permanent settlement for human. Around 5,000 years ago, first kingdom has formed. The invention of scripts and the money came into the picture. Around 2500 to 1400, this period was starting or born of many religions like Buddhism in India and Islam. Around 500 years ago, the scientific revolution started. Human, Humankind admits its ignorance and began to acquire unprecedented power. European began to conquer America and the ocean. The entire planet became a single historical arena. The rise of capitalism started from here. Around 200 years ago till today, we are in industrial revolution. Family and community are replaced by state and market. Massive extinction of plant and animal happen in this period of time. At present, humans are crossed the boundaries of planet Earth. Nuclear weapons have invented. They are threatening the survival of humankind. Organisms are increasingly shaped by intelligent design rather than natural selection. Maybe in future, the intelligent design become the basic principle of life, or human or Homo sapiens means we may be replaced by superhumans. Future knows. So let's meet in the next chapter where we'll discuss about the cognitive revolution and see you there. Thank you. Bye bye.